Hello and welcome to this tutorial on georeferencing in GIS. In this video, we will be discussing the step-by-step process of georeferencing. Georeferencing is the process of assigning real-world coordinates to a raster image or scanned map. This process is essential for using these types of images in GIS software. Step 1. Add the image. The first step in georeferencing is to add the image to your GIS software. You can do this by either dragging and dropping the image file into the software or by using the Add Data button in the toolbar. Once you have added the image, it will appear in your map display. Step 2. Select the projection. The next step is to select the projection that you want to use for your image. The projection will determine how the image is aligned with the rest of the GIS data. You can select the projection by going to the Properties of the image and choosing the projection from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Identify control points. The next step is to identify control points on the image. Control points are specific locations on the image that have known real-world coordinates. These locations can be things like street intersections, building corners, or geographic features. You should try to identify at least 3 control points, but more is better. Step 4. Add control points. Once you have identified your control points, you need to add them to your image. You can do this by using the Add Control Points tool in the toolbar. Click on each of the control points on the image and enter their real-world coordinates in the dialog box. Make sure that you enter the coordinates in the correct projection. Step 5. Check the residuals. After you have added your control points, you should check the residuals. Residuals are the differences between the real-world coordinates and the coordinates assigned to the control points by the georeferencing process. You can check the residuals by using the View Link Table tool in the toolbar. If the residuals are too large, you may need to add more control points or adjust the existing control points. Step 6. Save the georeferencing information. Once you are satisfied with the georeferencing, you should save the georeferencing information. You can do this by using the Export tool in the toolbar and choosing the format in that you want to save the georeferencing information. This information will allow you to use the image in your GIS software with other georeferenced data. That's it. Georeferencing is a crucial step in working with raster images in GIS software. By following these 6 steps, you can georeference your images quickly and accurately. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.